Hi, this is Sean showing off my group rename script. So as you go up here, group rename, it comes with two tabs that show off group rename and search and replace. And on top of that, you can also see when you hover over different items, it shows what they do, what they're used for, and how to use them. It's on both tabs. So group rename. So with group rename, you can select all your objects and you can rename them. Okay. Square, and basically you can set your padding to the number of digits you wish to pad by. As you can see, it's renamed the items, but as you can see, there are no suffixes, so you can also either before renaming it you can add the suffix. So like for now I can say joint, okay, and when you say apply, it'll add the suffix to the end before you apply it. Or what you can do is afterwards, if you have objects that have already been renamed or you've already named them and you just want to add suffix to them, you can add it to the end, so GEO, and you can click apply suffix and it will apply the suffix to the end. Now the rename script, or well, search and replace script, what this will show, this allows you to do is to search for the name or a sentence of letters that you wish to replace on selected objects. For example, if you have individual objects like this and you don't want cube or square, that you can then turn it back to cube. Man keeps on deselecting for some reason. Okay, cube, and then when you apply it, it will replace, as you can see here. And you can pretty much do this with every one of them. So let's say arm, and there you go, replace with left arm. You can also, if you wish, do it within groups. So if you select a whole group of items and you say like sphere, and I wish to turn this into orb, why is it not changing? Orb. You can say orb and you can click it, and as you can see it's changed all the names, but it's also told you that which items have not been changed in the selection because it couldn't find the names that matched, or they had no letters that matched. So you can do that. You also have the unique capability of duplicating and mirroring an object depending on the axis you want it to mirror. So let's say I want this group of items here to turn and turn these back into spheres. Okay, and then basically you can say mirror to the right, and as you can see, it not only mirrored the objects, but it's created another group with these objects in it, and it will mirror the whole group across, changing the names when it finds them and leaving objects that have not got the same name change. But it will also change the actual physical name to another number if it detects that there is already something with the same number. You can do this with anything. You can also do this with joint. You can select the head joint and you can say L and change it to R, and as you can see, when I click it, it mirrors it across using the joint mirror function. You can do it with selected objects individually. Let's say we change these cubes to no, I'm sorry, they're cubes. Got the wrong one. Cubes to squares. Okay, and you can basically mirror them transformally, as you can see here. Just mirror them transformally, and they've maintained height and everything that you need with name changed and everything that you required. You can also do it with groups that are inside or joints inside a name. So you can select the joints and you can say, just say the head one, and I say I want to change L underscore, oh wait, no, sorry, wrong, L with R, and I want to do the same thing again. As I click here, you see it says here the name of objects that have not been changed, but as you can see when I open the group, all the objects names have been changed, and you can basically mirror on any axes. Thank you for watching my group rename script. Bye.